So let's just talk about file handling in Python. So Python provides simple methods that we can use to read and write files without any need for any complex databases. So Python has the methods like open, it has the read method, it has the write method. So we can use bunch of these methods to easily read and write to the files. Now why we need all of this file handling? Because in Python, whatever variables that we create, they can only store values temporarily. That means if we close the application, the temporary data will be gone. So we need to store all of that. So we should store all of that data in a file for long-term data storage even after the application closes. Like an example, we can open a file using the open method. So first of all, we have to specify the name of the file, and then as a second parameter we have to pass the mode of operation. So there are multiple modes. So like an example, R mode is for reading, W is for writing, A is for appending, X to create the file, B is for binary mode, and also we have T for the text mode, which is the default mode. So these are the modes that we can use right here as a second argument, and this way we can open our file. After opening, we can perform the read and the write operation. So let's just see how we can do that. So here we have one sample file, file.txt. So we're gonna open that file and also perform the read and write operations. So first of all, let's see how we can open the file. So we have to use the open method, and here inside we're gonna pass the file name file.txt, and the second argument is the mode of operation. So we're gonna read the file, so we're gonna pass R. We have opened the file. Now we can perform the read operation. So for that we're gonna use f1.read, and this will return us the content of the file, and then we can just print the content. So for now we do not have anything in the file, so let's just put some content. Welcome to Python. So this is the content of the file. So let's just see if we can read that content or not. So let's just run that. So you can see we successfully have read the content of the file. Welcome to Python. So first of all, you have to open the file with the reading mode, and then we can read the content of the file. Now this way, whenever we open and read the file, also we need to close the file manually, otherwise this can lead to resource leak. And also there is one efficient way to perform all of this using the with. So here we can use with open, and here we have to write as f1, and then inside that we're gonna put that read operation. Because we are using this with, so we don't have to manually close this. This will be automatically taken care of. So we're gonna have the same output. You can see welcome to Python. Similarly, also we can perform the write operation. So as usual, first of all we have to open the file, and the mode of operation will be W. For the write operation, as f2.write, and here we have to pass the content. Now the write method will overwrite everything that is in the file. So if we pass the new content Python tutorial, and if we execute that, so now the content will be changed. So you can see the previous content is overwritten with this new content. And also if we do not want that, we can append the content. That means the new content will be added with the previous content. So here we can again open the file. So we're gonna open the file. Here the mode has to be A for append, and then f3.write, and we're gonna put some new content like new content. So let's just run this. This is the previous content, and this is the new content added to the previous content, and that is because of this append. And also we can copy content of the file from one file to another. So here we have one file.txt. Let's just create another file, file2.txt. So let's just see how we can copy content from the file to the file2. So first of all we have to open the file. So we're gonna open the file 1 with the mode of reading, because we are reading from the file 1, and then also we have to open the file 2, file2.txt, and here the mode has to be write, because we are writing to the file 2 as f2. So now we have to use the loop. So we're gonna read line by line from the f1 from the file 1, and then we're gonna write to the file 2. So f2 dot write. So we're gonna write every line. So we are reading lines from file 1 and we're writing to the file 2. So let's now run this. So that is the source file, and you can see the contents are exactly copied from the file 1 to the file 2. And also there can be some exception while working with the file. So we need to handle the exception using the try except block. So suppose we are opening the file 1 and then we are reading the content. So f1 dot read. Now there can be situations file does not exist or deleted for some reason. So we need to handle that exception. So we're gonna use the try block and we're gonna put all of that code inside the try block because we can have the error here. Now after that we need to have the except block with the error type file not found. So whenever the file not found, now here we can write the code to handle the error. So for now we're just gonna simply print file not found. So this is the way we can open a file, we can read the content of the file, and also we can write file, we can append content to the file, and also we can copy content from one file to another. And not just this, also we can perform the error handling in Python. So hope you understand about file handling in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.